Hello Tesla owners and fans. Today I got a new product to share with you from a company called EVBase, and I guarantee you're going to find something you like if you visit their website at evbase.com. You could search that website for hours. It's like going into a toy store if you own a Tesla like I do. Now I got a product here today I want to show you. It works on the inside for organization around your dash and your front monitor screen. Clears up for your spot where you want to charge your smartphones, and it's really needed in my case. I'll show you, I'll give you an example here in a minute. But if you do like this product, I do have a 20% off code. If you go to evbase.com/TWHomeshow, you'll get 20% off. And just take your time, make a list in there of what you want to have for your new Tesla. There's so many things. I created a list, a wish list, and everything's so organized. You can search for just Model Y category, or just the Model 3 category, or the Cybertruck category, whatever you got. And I've got the Highland version of this Model 3. It's the newer version. They do have stuff for each versions of your Tesla. So take a look around there. The site is really interesting and it's fun. It's really, really fun to look at. But here's the one I got today. This is a organizer, like I said, packaged well, magnetic under-screen organizer pro. All right, let me show you what I've got here first. If you look in here, Tesla. Now this product will work with the Model 3 or the Model Y. But if we look in here, here's your screen. Under here is supposed to be where you charge your cell phones. Those are charging pads for your cell phones. And look what I got there. I got some Tic Tac snacks, mints, and my sunglasses, my wife's sunglasses. There's really no other nooks or crannies up here to store stuff like that. Not even a sunglass holder, unless you purchase that separately. I think they offer that on EVBase as well, which I might take a look at that. But this area here is meant to charge your cell phones, like that, or your passenger's cell phone. So we can't have sunglasses and other junk, mints and gum and everything up here like that. It's blocking an important usable area. So what I got is this organizer right here. It only consists basically of two pieces. This piece and the bottom tray piece. This is your organizer. It's got a nice rubber style gripping on it, so stuff doesn't come sliding out on you. Also comes with this additional magnet for an accessory, because how this works is it goes up underneath your screen, and then this magnetically locks it on, this top bar piece. On the top bar piece, you do have another magnet right here in the middle. So behind your screen, you could take this, stick it to the back of your cell phone, maybe underneath the case of your cell phone, and then you can stick your cell phone behind here. You can hide something behind your screen if you want. So we're going to go ahead and install this thing. Like I said, it takes a couple seconds. I'll show you. So easy, so quick, and it fits on there nice and sturdy. First, going to move our junk here. Fit this up in the back here. See, it's got little rubber feet pad right here on the front of this tray. They go behind your screen here, and just tilt it up, and it should have a solid fitting right here. That's how you know it's set. And then these arrows will tell you, point this toward the windshield. So put it behind here, your screen, and it'll click onto those magnet spots I showed you. Now it's on there, and it's on there pretty solid. I mean, vibrating down the road, it's not going to come off. We can put our stuff back in here, sunglasses, any odds and ends we want to store in there, and it's pretty deep too. I can fit my whole hand in here. We just want to make sure we don't stuff it up more than the magnet can hold. And that's it, guys. The only other thing you need is this magnet here. If you want to use that spot on the back, use this magnet, 3M adhesive, stick it on, and then you can stick anything you want. You can kind of hide stuff back here if you like. So here's a view of it with it on the unit. You're not taking up any of your valuable space. In fact, it's giving you more additional valuable space. Nice, clean, and sleek. Looks like it's meant to come built like this. There's that magnetic bar right there. Just goes right over the top of the frame of the screen right there and magnetized halfway through. Nice solid fit too, and the rubber pads ensure on each side that you're not going to get any plasticky vibrations going down rough roads. So guys, hope you enjoyed that product, me sharing that product with you. I know I'm going to enjoy it, my wife's going to enjoy it, and it's just making our Tesla that much more organized when we're driving in it or having it self-drive us. We're really loving our 2026 new Tesla Model 3. I hope you guys are enjoying your Teslas. We almost decided to get a Model Y, but I really wanted a car this time around. Who knows? The Model Y could be a future purchase. Let me know in the comments below if you like this product, if you already own it, if you see any issues with the product. Let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, remember to go to evbase.com/TW Home Show to get your 20% discount off of any accessories you're looking for your Tesla. And share what you're purchasing with me in the comments below, because I'd like to decide what I'm going to get next for this beautiful car. All right, now what makes this accessory nice and foolproof? Say you buy this without your partner knowing, your spouse, and you install it real quickly, and they get in, they say, I don't like this thing. It'll collect too much junk for me. I don't want it at all. I wish you didn't install it. Well, guess what? You have an out. Just pull off that bar at the top, pull this down, stick this in the front frunk, and then when you drive it, you come in and put it back in. Way to go. It's not permanent. Thank you for joining me again on TW Home Show, and I'll see you on the next one.